The utilization of Indian large language models trained on Indic languages marks a significant advancement in leveraging AI technology to address the diverse linguistic landscape of India. By developing these models, businesses and governments can enhance their ability to communicate effectively with citizens and customers in their preferred languages. This not only facilitates better service delivery but also promotes inclusivity and accessibility for all language communities within the country. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Today, modern India boasts 22 official languages, numerous dialects, and a heterogeneous terrain where tone, accent, and vocabulary can vary every few kilometers. This cultural diversity lends itself to the development of local large language models (LLMs) that better suit the needs of a multilingual country. Expert says regarding the training data used in most global large language models is quite pertinent, especially in the context of India's linguistic diversity. English centric training data may not adequately capture the nuances and complexities of the multitude of languages spoken in India. Indian large language models like Bharat GPT, Kruti, OpenHathi, and Vani that have been trained on Indic languages are now being used by businesses and governments to better serve the needs of a diverse multilingual country. Krutrim's initiative, backed by a prominent company like Ola and trained on such a vast dataset of over 2 trillion tokens, represents a significant advancement in Indian large language models. The fact that Krutrim emphasizes a large representation of Indic language tokens is particularly noteworthy, as it reflects a commitment to addressing the linguistic diversity of India. Secondly, Bharat GPT. As a homegrown generative AI initiative, Bharat GPT aims to address by focusing on training language models specifically on data from Indian languages. It is supporting a wider range of Indian languages beyond just English. Similarly, Indian AI startup Sarvam AI has released OpenHathi LLM, marking a significant leap in the realm of Hindi language models. Google backed Project Vani has 12 states and 80 districts represented in one of the largest datasets of Indian dialects. The data is expected to be open sourced through platforms such as Vasini under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technologies National Language Translation Initiative and SPA, the development of automatic speech recognition and natural language processing technologies that better understand how Indians speak. These language models also enable various applications, including customer support, content localization, and language translation services, to cater to the linguistic diversity of India. Moreover, they contribute to the democratization of information and access to services by breaking down language barriers. Let's look into today's headline. TCS and AWS come together to accelerate cloud migration. Tata Consultancy Services has forged a strategic alliance with Amazon Web Services AWS to expedite its clients' migration to the cloud. This fresh partnership aims to empower TCS in orchestrating comprehensive digital transformations for its clientele, harnessing the potential of data and AI solutions hosted on AWS infrastructure. TCS aims to equip its clients with resources to build contemporary architectures, leverage cutting-edge cloud-native features for business advancement, and undertake extensive modernization efforts. Google rejects 2.28 million apps in 2023 for violating Play Store policies. Google last year blocked 2.28 million apps worldwide for being published on its Play Store, citing violations of its policies. Google is said to have strengthened its processes for onboarding and reviewing developers, requiring more identity information when developers first establish their Play accounts. More than 2 lakh app submissions were rejected to ensure proper use of sensitive permissions. Indian startup One AI Chat announces unified interface for leading LLMs. An Indian startup One AI Chat has built a multimodal AI aggregator to save users from the hassle of visiting different sites. The aggregator One AI Chat is bringing together a host of LLMs such as ChatGPT-4, Claude 3, Gemini, Dell-E, and Mistral, allowing the users to use them on a unified interface. It comes out with a unique feature called Focus Categories, which allows the users to explore category-specific queries and uncover tailored multimodal solutions. WhatsApp to soon roll out account restriction feature. WhatsApp is reportedly working on a new feature which will offer users an account restriction feature. When an account undergoes restriction on WhatsApp, users will find themselves unable to initiate new chats for a designated period, serving as a temporary penalty for specific breaches. WhatsApp employs automated tools to identify abusive spam-like behavior or automated bulk messaging or other actions that infringe upon its terms of service. Election Commission urges telecom operators to begin SMS campaign to boost voter turnout. The decline in polling percentage in the first two phases of the ongoing general election has set the Election Commission of India ECI thinking to push telecom operators to send SMSs to voters to encourage them to exercise their franchisee in the subsequent phases. However, while the ECI wants telecom operators to send about 100 million SMSs daily to voters, telcos have said they can handle only about 20 million SMSs, citing a lack of capacity. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.